In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect TradersWay to MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do, of course, is open an account on TradersWay, which is connected with MT4. So I do have a demo account over here. As you can see, it's an MT4 account. So you want to go to the top here where it says menu, and you want to click on MetaTrader 4, and it's going to open up a separate tab in your browser where you basically will be able to download MetaTrader 4 you can then use with the TradersWay. So click on that, and there we go. It's going to download. You can just click on it over here. It's going to open up the installer, and then you're going to have to confirm your Windows password if it asks you to. And then from here, you want to click on next, and then you have to wait for this to actually install. So usually it's quite quick, but in the meantime, you can go and basically find your sign-in or login credentials. Now, if you forgot your password, you can always find it over here. So you can go and click on where it says change password and change it over here. We're going to need two things to actually sign in. The first one, let me actually click on finish over here right now in between. So the first one is going to be this number over here, and the second one is going to be the password. So when you click on the finish button, which I just did, it's going to open up MT4 like that. And then there we go. As you can see over here, it's going to ask you which account you want to open or sign into. So for me, I'm going to do the demo account, of course. I'm going to click on TradersWay demo, but for you, you'll be notified whichever one you need to sign in upon creation of your real live account, okay? So if you have a live account, it's going to be one of these two, but if it's a demo, it's going to be demo. So select demo, and you can click on next over here, and then you can do existing trade account, and you have to basically type in your account number over here, which I showed you where to find earlier, and then you also need your password. So the password is going to be provided when you actually open your account. If you forgot it, again, you can change it on the way on the page you were able to see earlier. So from here, I'm going to save the password and click on finish, and this is going to connect, and there we go. As you can see, I've successfully connected this, and I'm now connected to TradersWay on MT4. As you can see up top, this is my demo account. This is the margin I have and the balance.
Incoming
and yeah,
mail.
there we go. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.